The former member of parliament for Pelanda Chabalala Gift Ostallos has shared details of a harrowing near-death experience following his abduction and torture by suspected ZANU-PF activists in 2016. Savela Mashoko Pana Patona Ostallos anoshare his chilling account of 2016 abduction and torture at ZANU-PF headquarters. Look, subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina Pana Pombudan speaking on the interview series in a conversation with Trevor, hosted by Medium Go Trevor Nuwe Siziva, who is also the former deputy spokesperson for Citizen Coalition for Change Party, recalled the brutal assault, saying that at one point he was prepared to die as he was no longer feeling any pain despite the severity of the beatings, he said. So in 2016, I was supposed to be part of a bridal team in my church on Saturday in Bulawayo. Then I came to Harare because we are part of the National Election Reform Campaign Program. And most of our activists in the Itajamuka had been arrested at this flag. So when I was now going back to find public transport to go back to the city on a Friday, I was followed and then I got abducted because the demo was sanctioned and all those kind of problems in our country. This is 2016. Siziwa recounted that after his abduction, his captors forced him into a sack. He was then driven around the city in a vehicle, subjected to a brutal beating throughout the journey, he said. They are beating me up anyway, and I mean, they climb, my head is down. Then the next thing, I woke up in the ZANU-PF headquarters and taken downstairs into their torture chambers, I presume. And obviously, you are terrified. I got terrified and realized, I mean clearly, that probably this is my last moment with my life. And two things were very important to me, Brother Trevor. The first one was grounding that it happened to me in terms of my political consciousness building, because it prepared me to understand that I must conquer the fear of death because we are seeing blood. People are torturing you, they are beating you, and you can no longer feel the pain. There was this one old man who realized that everything, everywhere in my body had been beaten up and the blood was all over. During his captivity, Ziziwa underwent a series of intense interrogation. His abductors accused him of participating in efforts to overthrow the government, framing it as an attempt to undermine the legacy of the country's liberation struggle. Domashukantaka na Ostallos zivachisanangura aiwa kubunyikizwa kwakanga aitiwa panguva ino muna 2016 awa pakapotsa upenyu hwake hwatorwa. Atodze mafungiro enyu motudi pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section menzo mafungiro enyu. So no subscribe or like, shut on the bell icon.